Hey you guys, I hope you are having an awesome day so far. My hair is freshly dyed pink and it's a little bit crazy. I tried doing a darker root, so you can still see some dyes on my scalp. I tried doing a darker root and some lighter ends and it ended up being really freaking patchy in the back because I tried doing it myself with no help. So yeah, I just have patchy pink hair this week. I think it'll fade out pretty evenly though. This dye tends to fade out beautifully. So I love cotton candy pink, so I dyed it a couple shades darker than that, and that way in a wash or two it will fade out so that the roots are kind of a dark raspberry and then the ends are like a super soft cotton candy pink. But there are some spots on my hair, like here, that won't even freaking take the dye. Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if the bleach is uneven. I don't know what's going on. So, I'm not a hair expert. I've not done this for years. I'm not super good at this by any means. I just haven't met anyone around where I live who I trust to do my hair, so I've been doing it myself. Anyway, that's not why we're here. I just want to mention it because I'm sure you guys have noticed my hair was really dark pink and then faded to a really pale pink, and it's dark pink again, so I just figured I'd mention it. Anyway, today we're actually here to do a Sephora play unboxing. This is the Sephora play box for the month of June. This is the Sephora play boxing for the month of June, and I cannot remember what month it is. Yay, go me. Okay, in case you're curious how crazy things have been in my world lately. Sephora play boxes are $10, and as always, you get the little play card, which is 50 extra bonus Beauty Insider points online or in store, which is awesome. And then you get the little poster. I wish they took this down to like one smaller page. I really wish they shrunk this, just because I don't think they need something this big. But this month's theme is Destination Beauty, so I'm super excited to see what we've got. Here is the bag. It's orange. I've been loving orange lately. I was seriously tempted to dye my hair peach. And then my husband was like, but I really want to see it with pink and purple. And I was going to do the roots purple, but I didn't have any dye and didn't want to run out. I was feeling lazy. So maybe next time I'll do purple roots. And then after that, I'll do peach. That is not breakage, just so you guys know. That is new growth. That's not breakage, I promise. I'm not trashing my hair. But anyway, this is orange. I love it. And it says work hard, play harder on the back. So I'm going to take everything out. It feels kind of heavy this month. Wow, okay. Different. I see different. This makes me so happy. Okay. So I'm going to just grab first thing, and this is from Farmacy. I've loved everything we've tried from Farmacy so far. This is their, sorry, I was having to yell to a group of young girls like really loud yesterday, so my throat is like dead. I have to use a microphone next time because I can't scream that loud for that long without losing my voice. This is the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It says gently massage into dry skin, apply to closed eyes, rinse with warm water, or wipe off with damp washcloth. Excellent. I love like balm type makeup removers. Let me pop this off. Ooh. It has like a very mild scent. Like you can barely smell it, and look at that color. It's just a beautiful mint color, and it's, ooh, that feels like an oil balm to me. See that? Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's going like straight in my bathroom because I don't have an oil cleanser I'm using right now. So I'm going to put this straight in my bathroom to try it out. Next thing is this. We all know I love seeing products from Laneige in here. They're one of my very favorite Korean skincare brands. This is their lip sleeping mask, which I have been dying to try, and I knew I was going to eventually get it in a Sephora play box. So I didn't want to run out and buy it. Teensy little sample, I will say that. It is how much? 0.08 ounces. So you can see it looks bigger than the sample actually is, but it's pink, kind of matches my hair. That's what it looks like. Ooh, and it smells kind of like strawberry airheads, like the strawberry airheads candy. That's what it smells like. Like it smells like airheads or Pez or, yeah, like just a really sweet candy smell. Okay, I am very happy with that. Next up, this caught my attention because glass bottle, Mr. Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. I love face mist. I love face mist so much. They're my favorite thing in the whole world. I think that every single toner should be in the form of a face mist. I think that like half the hydrators in the world should be in the form of a face mist. I love face mists. They're amazing. And I've not tried this one yet. Ooh, this has aloe, rose water, witch hazel water in it, glycerin, hibiscus, coconut powder, a couple different fruit and flower extracts, which is really, really nice. So I'm super excited to try this because I'm always looking for new mists, and I don't think I've tried anything from this brand before. So I will definitely give this a shot and let you guys know what I think of that. Next up is a, oh my goodness, you guys, we got a Sephora brand product that is not a lipstick or an eyeliner. It finally happened, or a mascara. Finally happened. This is the Sephora, okay, half of this is in French, which is fine, I can read French, but this is the Sephora HYA All Day Hydrator. Hydrate and Glow. It says 96% ingredients from natural origins. It says natural hyaluronic acid from wheat, known to hydrate skin, and a cocktail of natural vitamin E from sunflower and vitamin C. All right, let's pop this open. So I'm guessing this is just a daily moisturizer. That's what it looks like. It doesn't have a lot of information about it. Let me check our little poster. The poster says it's a weightless daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. Okay, that's what I thought. So this is a little daily moisturizer. This is really cute. I love the feel of the packaging. It's very like soft and matte. And it's just like a white lotion-y type feeling. Definitely feels like a standard lotion. In fact, it feels very, very similar to like a CeraVe lotion. It kind of has that funky smell that you get in products that don't have a lot of artificial fragrance in them. Does this have a fragrance? Let me see. Yes, okay, this does have fragrance in it. But it smells like a product that doesn't have fragrance in it, if that gives you an idea of the smell. I'm not a big fan of the smell of this, but I will try it. I will give it a shot. Made the back of my hand nice and glowy, so we shall see. Next product we have, yes, I've been wanting to try this. Okay, this is the Tarte Foundcealer Multitasking Foundation. It has SPF 20 in it, and they sent me the shade Fair Light Sand. Okay, we're going to see how this goes because typically most sand shades are too yellow for me. Okay, we'll see. First of all, I love this packaging, this little mini. This is just the cutest freaking thing ever. This looks like this could actually be fairly close to my skin tone. Let me see. I've heard that this functions as a foundation and a concealer and that it's glowy. And I've been loving glowing. I can't talk. And I've been loving glowy skin lately. Here's what it looks like. Feels very much like a standard foundation weight. Actually, that's pretty heavy coverage. I mean, you can sheer out of it, but that's not too bad. Looks a little yellower than what I normally use, just a tiny bit. So I'd have to see if it oxidizes at all, if it does, if it turns more pinky at all. We'll see. I will try this in like a week or two and see what I think of it. That might go well with my skin. It's really hard to tell. It may be just like a smidgen, just a smidgen too light for me. I'm not sure. It's very, very close though. It's hard to send out samples to people if you haven't seen like photographs of their face or haven't met them in person that will absolutely match their skin tone. Because like when you fill out your Sephora profile, it's literally like fair, light, medium, medium deep, and then deep, I think are like the options. And that might even be more options than they actually give you. So they actually got pretty close. So I'm impressed. All right, so those are our main 5. And then here is our sample. These are a shampoo and conditioner sample. These are from the brand Klorane. It's an anti-pollution detox shampoo with aquatic mint and an anti-pollution protective conditioner with aquatic mint. Okay, normally I hate packets like this. However, I love how many brands are coming out with anti-pollution products, mostly because what a lot of people don't know is where I live in Ohio actually has some of the worst air quality in the country. You wouldn't think that. You would think fields, etc. We have a lot of steel mills and production and stuff around here. Our air quality is actually really bad during the summer, especially. We actually get microdust here, like the exact same microdust they get in South Korea. We get that here. And I can actually tell I have trouble breathing on the days when the levels are higher. So I will occasionally wear a mask or I'll carry an inhaler with me because my lungs will get really, really irritated. And thankfully it hasn't been too bad. We've only had 1 or 2 bad days so far this summer, but it's also been raining a lot. So I've actually been very careful as far as making sure the filters in my house are working really, really well and not opening my windows on bad air quality days and things like that. So, of course, using an anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner once isn't going to tell you whether it actually works, but like long-term for your hair. But I'm totally willing to try this and see if I like it. And I love anything that's like mint scented, so that's perfect for me. I don't mind that at all. I do wish that they would put samples like these in little bottles or something rather than packets, just because I don't know if you're anything like me, you decide like last minute, oh yeah, I'm going to use a packet and grab out of your shower. Your hands are wet and slippery in the shower, and fighting to open the package in the shower is a pain in the butt. So that's why I'd rather shampoo samples be in like little bottles where you could get like hotel size bottles where you could get 3 or 4 uses out of it and get to see if you really like the product a whole lot more. But anyway, that is everything in our box. I'm going to go over everything again one more time really fast. We got the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, the Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Facial Mist, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, the Sephora All Day Hydrator, the Tarte Foundcealer, and the Klorane Anti-Pollution Shampoo and Conditioner. So, my favorite thing in here. First guess, my favorite's probably going to be the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask because it's something I've been looking forward to and been wanting to try for a long, long time, so I'm very happy to see it in this box. My least favorite? I don't have one this month. That's weird. If you guys have been following me in like the 2 years that I've been doing Sephora Play unboxings, I don't think I've ever not had a least favorite. Like I can almost always find something that I'm going to hate out of every single box. I can't. I mean, mind you, I haven't tried any of these products, but I'm not looking at any of these and going, ew, I won't use this, which I do a lot. So I am overall very, very, very pleased. I'm really happy that I got a lot of skincare. I do love skincare. I've been kind of obsessed with skincare lately, especially during the summer where I don't like wearing as heavy of a foundation. And I like that the product we got was actually a slightly newer product and we got enough of it for it to actually be useful. And overall, I'm just really, really impressed with this box. So I'm very, very happy. This is probably one of my favorite boxes in a long time. I don't love getting a lot of hair care stuff, and we didn't this time. I'd prefer either skincare or makeup, and we got a ton of skincare this time. So I am really, really, really happy. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed unboxing this with me. If you want to know whether I end up loving or hating these products, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I always make sure to cover all the products that I use in Sephora Play boxes in upcoming favorites and empties videos. So you will definitely eventually see all of these products in one of those videos. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well, because it really helps support my channel. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!